this feeling.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and if you are new, welcome. I am so excited for you guys to join me today in cleaning out the trailer. So this is, I believe it's a 27-foot toy hauler trailer. Full disclaimer, it is my parents'. They let us use it whenever we go camping. We did end up selling our tent trailer because we needed the toy hauler for all of our toys when we go to the beach and everything. But we took it camping this past weekend. So I figured I would show you guys what we do basically to clean up the trailer. So as you see, I already have my little basket of goodies of everything I'm going to use to clean up inside the trailer. And it's pretty basic. We don't stay in the trailer that much. We did go mountain camping this time, so we didn't really use it that much. We even left, they use it for their motorcycles. We left all that there. The bed was already made. My husband went up and made it because I hate making it up on the little ladder. So that part was already done. Thank goodness I did not have to do it. But I wanted to go ahead and just give everything a good wipe down. Everything was pretty dusty from us using it over the weekend. So I am not going to talk a lot in this video. So go ahead and turn up the music and let it motivate you to get your stuff done.
Yeah. I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. Don't wanna do this again. You must have felt this coming. Can we just leave it right here? Never to touch it again. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. With you I feel like breaking rules, on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you're just asleep. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you're just asleep.
Alright guys, and that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's shorter, but I thought it would be fun for a change of scenery. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love if you'd hit that subscribe button. And if you want to follow me over on Instagram, my handle is it's Shell Peterson. I do post more over there about our day-to-day life. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
No, they just don't.